Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you one of the ways that I take notes for class. Some of the supplies that I use to take notes are the Papermate Flare medium pens. I like how the point isn't too small, making it easier for me to write and to underline things. For most of my notes, I use the Pilot G2 pens, hands down one of my favorite pens ever. It writes so smooth, it makes my notes look so organized. For subtopics and titles, I use the Staedtler Tri Plus fine liners. I also use the Zebra mild liners to write titles, highlight important topics, and to overall make my notes look cute and colorful. Lastly, some whiteout correction tape just in case I make a mistake. For paper, I always use the 5-Star College Rule notebooks. I write small, so I think the lines are thin enough to make it easier for me to write while giving me a lot of space to fill up the paper with notes. During every lecture or when I'm writing notes independently, I like to write my notes on loose leaf paper so I can write as messy as I would like while jotting the information down. Also, when I'm feeling lazy and don't want to hand draw my diagrams, I like to print them out, cut them, and paste them into my notes. Today, I am working on operations management notes, so I try to reread some of the sections just to give myself a refresher about what the chapter is about. Then I take out a post-it note and write all the topics I want to cover in my notes. I don't want to miss anything. Then I start my notes. I usually write the chapter number up top and the name of the chapter a few lines down. I don't really have a system for my notes. Like I said, this is just one of the ways that I write notes. This is more just definitions and concepts instead of math and science, but I can make another video soon about how I write my finance notes, which is very different. Since this topic is more definition heavy, I use this blue color for each term in the chapter, then write out the definition right after. For the subtopic, I use the Staedtler fine liner to write out the subtopic title in the center, then continue to write out terms and definitions after. Anything I want to call attention to, I write in red. Red stands out and it draws my eye right to it. So now it's time to print out the diagrams. Like I said earlier, I usually hand draw my diagrams, but I was feeling a little bit lazy today, so I decided to print them out. After that, I cut them out and glue them into my notes. Next to the diagram, I write a small sentence explaining what the diagram is showing. And that's it. Very simple, neat, and effective. These are some examples of other notes that I've written recently. This one is finance, and this one is auditing notes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!